Hello there again, YouTube. Terrell Jackson here with Metro Carpet Cleaning and Solutions. Yes, it is that time again. I am going to show you another great video. Here we go. Well, as promised, I have another video to show you guys, and it is all pre-vacuuming, okay? All right, this is for my vacuum lovers, and for those of you who would like to see the whole video, all the cleaning, all the steps, CRB, agitation, and extraction, just watch the video that was posted previously before this one. All right, so for those of you who haven't seen it, so this is not just a one-part video, this is a two-part video. This is a second part, well, I would say bonus footage, yeah, you can call it that. All right, so I really hope you guys enjoy this pre-vacuuming video. I put it together just for you guys. All right, so I hope you enjoy it. Here it is. Okay, so I have arrived and I'm about ready to get set up here. One of the rooms at the bottom. Don't look too bad. Now this room has quite a bit of spots, so probably get some ink remover in the rooms. Upstairs, these are the stairs. Stairs don't look too bad, but you know, this carpet gets really matted. This is the loft. Has a couple of spots. Here's the, ooh, I didn't see this one yet. Here's another room. Not any issues in here hardly. Is the room beside the master, just a little larger. Spots, nice bit of spots in here. And this is a master bedroom. And it's been vacuumed, as you can see. But of course, you know, gotta vacuum again. All right, so I'm going to start pre-vacuuming. Let's see how much dirt we get out of these carpets that have already been vacuumed. Let's see how good they did. Already got a little bit up already. So this is just the first line. So we're picking up a little bit. So it's gonna be interesting to see how much dry soil was still in this carpet, even after being vacuumed. that's what we got so far out of this portion, a third of the room. So let's see what we get out of the rest of it. It's coming up. It is coming up. I have a good mind to go back over that same area again. Look at that. See, if I was like how I used to be, I would not have vacuum. When I first started, if I saw, let me turn this off. If I saw this room like this when I first came in, these lines, these vacuum lines, when I first started, I would not have pre-vacuum, assuming that, you know, the carpets were already vacuumed well. But as you can see, I just did this half of the room. I haven't even done the rest of it yet, or the closet yet. And look what I've gotten out so far. So pre-vacuuming is a very important step. I always pre-vacuum, even if I'm in a rush. I always pre-vacuum. It's very important. Look at this dry soil at the bottom. Look at that. See, I would have to fight through all of this stuff with my pre-spray and all that good stuff, and you know. I mean, I know I'm gonna get up more when I use my CRB, but still yet, this is a very, very important step for you carpet cleaners that are just starting. Like I said, back in the day, I would just, you know, with my portable, I would have just ran on through this thing, you know, without pre-vacuuming. So it's very important to check to see if there's any more dry soil in the carpet, even if you do have vacuum lines. Okay, let me finish this up. Okay, so I am finishing up here in the master bedroom. And now that's real pre-vacuuming there. That's a true pre-vacuum. Okay, so I'm done with pre-vacuuming the master. And as you saw earlier, you saw the vacuum lines that were here. But look. All right, so finish it up. The rest of these rooms here. It's not full, so I'll wait till we get to the full line to empty it out. Start here in this next room. This is going to be a room to contend with. You hear me? And I really don't think it was too bad. I don't think it was too bad in here, considering what I already have gotten out of the master bedroom. I think most of this has come from out of the master bedroom, so it's not. I really don't think it's that bad. And I really don't think it was that bad in here. I didn't get up much more, so it wasn't too bad in here. I think most of this came out of the master bedroom. So, still not full yet. Next. I'm not even gonna show this room. Yeah, I'm not even gonna show this room. Still not full yet. Almost there. But yeah, we're about to vacuum in here now. Closet first. Still pre-vacuuming here. And it's piling up. Look at that. Piling on up. Okay, it looks like a blizzard is going on. We have a blizzard, ladies and gentlemen. We have a blizzard. Right here in North Carolina. All right. Let me head on to this, whatchamacallit? What is this? Loft, yeah. The loft. Senior moment. Senior moment. All right. All right, I got about 10 minutes of pre-vacuuming here, so it's not, well, it is full. I'm about to empty this out. I got to empty this thing. See how much we get out of this carpet. And the loft and the hallway is last, so. You know, of course, the stairs and the 2 rooms downstairs, but as far as upstairs, the loft and the hallway are last. To get my bag. Forgot to get my bag. So this came out of the first 4 rooms, master bedroom, the other 3 rooms. Not too bad, but I mean, that's enough to really, you know, get in the way. That's definitely enough to, you know, do some things. Yeah. Look at that. All that dry soil. Dry. Just dry. Yep. Okay. So let me vacuum the hallway and the loft. Still got, you know, a little bit of something. Not really bad though. All right, let's get this hallway. Look at that. As I was just going up the hallway, it was just already collecting dirt. Oh, cord too short. All right. All right, upstairs is done. Now I am going to vacuum the stairs. So we got so much more out of the stairs. This is just from the loft, stairs in the hallway. Where's my bag? Okay, so here's a total of everything that came from out the stairs so far. I mean, the stairs, the upstairs and the stairs. So that's a lot of dry soil and lint and hair. And as you can see, the rooms were, they were vacuumed already. So I hit these last two rooms, and that'll be the end of the pre-vacuuming video. Okay, so we are back empty again, and we're going to pre-vacuum the last two rooms downstairs. This is the first of two rooms. Empty, and let's see what we get out of these carpets here. And I'm vacuuming very, very slow. As you can see, look at that, look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but it's already starting to turn. Dry soil, baby. Dry soil. I'm not even halfway through the room. Let's go back over this area real quick again. Just in case I missed anything. All right, I think we left off right about here. And the lint and dirt is collecting. So this is what we got out of this room. Again, it was already vacuumed, but look at this. Look at this. And I must say, I must give a shout out to Bissell. I love my Bissells. Ever since I started cleaning carpets, Bissell has been my go-to vacuum. They have always done a great job. Bissell, baby, Bissell. And there are some, I did have another Bissell. What happened to that Bissell? It's not full, but I'm gonna empty it out. Let me empty it out. And I'm going to see how much we collect out of this one. So this is what we collected out of the first room downstairs. And we're gonna see what we can get out of this carpet. Okay, so far this is what we got out. And we are in our last room. So it's quite a pile of stuff here, you know? Look at that, it's a lot. You know, like I said, back in the day, I would have been like, you know, it's already vacuumed, I'm gonna start cleaning. Big mistake, huge mistake, okay? So, don't be like how I used to be when I first started cleaning carpets. Pre-vacuum for yourself, okay? Look at that. Just out of this little corner. Just out of this corner alone. I haven't even gone anywhere. Look at that. Free vacuum, people. Carpet cleaners, free vacuum. If you don't do it for anybody else, do it for yourself. Well, and for the customer, of course. last dip. And I am done. Pre-vac to me. Nice. All right, so here's the grand total of everything. Stairs. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that dry soil at the bottom though. See that? Look at that. This looks like some, I don't know, pet hair maybe. A lot of dry soil. So that would have really hindered my pre-spray a lot. All right, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yep. So now I'm about to pre-spray and CRB this joint. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video, and again, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was everything that was edited out of the first video before this one. So, hey, there you have it. Tell me what you think, and if you like the video, you know what to do. Hit that like button, and if you want to see more great videos, hey, there's a subscribe button down there. You are welcome to click on it. All right? Okay, that's all I have. Until next time, have a good one. Peace.